Okay guys, today I am going to show you how to apply the screen protector onto the iPhone. Okay, so this is the iPhone 15 Pro Max Plus. So I opened that already. This is what it looks like. This is brand new. And obviously they have the little paper back here so that to protect the screen. You don't need a whole lot of things. Make sure I have here a microfiber cloth. And I also have another one here, just to make sure I don't have any lint before I apply the screen protector. And if you take it to the store, they might have the little roller when they apply to it. They have a little roller here, but I use the number 2 pencil. And it works quite well. I've used it before, and I'm going to do it again. So what I went online and I bought myself a package of screen protector, and I'm using the privacy glass now. You know, it's a little bit more privacy, so that way people don't snoop around when you put in. You know, there's a lot of stuff in your phone nowadays, and you don't want people to see it. That's what I'm going to use today. And you know, of course, I bought myself a case here. And it does come with a 2 screen protector. Again, this white one I am not going to use. So I might just give it away. So, okay. So, let's do it. All right, so this one I bought. It has actually the lens protector as well, the camera lens, which I just snapped it on here. I took it out and I snapped it in there because I'm going to lay it down like that, and I don't want to scratch even though I have a cloth, I just want to make sure I don't scratch the lens. So that's the reason why I snapped them on already. I'm not going to show you how to do that one yet. But if you take all this now, they have all this alcohol prep pad. This is just for the phone. That's, you know, like really, you know, if you've used the phone before and you want to clean them up, but obviously this is a brand new one, so I'm not going to have to worry about that. So let's do this. So let's check this out. So one side, I'm sure you know already. One side, once you peel this off, this is the back side, and then you're going to lay it down like that. And that's how it's going to look. So let's take this off now. Okay. I'll leave that there for now. I think because, like I said, this is a brand new phone, so I don't have to worry about it too much. I just want to make sure this is going to lay down like that. It's clean, okay? So I'm going to peel that off. As you can see here, I'm going to peel it off. And I am going to, I have the little things on there now. I did drop something in there, so I'll make sure, again, make sure that is clean. And from there, you just lay down like that. But when you lay it down, you just kind of have it push it down at an angle like that. It's just it's a little bit flexible, you know, so it's not going to break right away if you bend it too much. So just want to make sure that that lens is covered. I mean, the flash cover or your camera lens is not covered. Because this is this is the privacy glass screen protector. So as you got in place, everything is set. I'm going to put that down. And as I bend it, I'm going to push it up slowly and apply the screen protector. Okay. I'm kind of pushing all the air out, so that way you have no air bubbles at the end. That's exactly what I'm doing, okay? I'm just pushing all the air out, just make sure there's no air in it. And your screen, there's no bubble. If you see the bubble, that's not cool. See, as you can see here, let me clean that up because I got my fingerprint on there already. There is absolutely no air bubbles anywhere. Look at that. Look how beautiful that thing is. Pretty much it. Hope you liked the video, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks again. Bye.